Hello, let us learn how to read in billions and also write them in words. So, reading and writing numbers in billions. Billion is such a large number, and when you come across it in your books, in your studies, it becomes a serious task to learn how to read it properly as well as writing it in word form. So let us take examples on how to read numbers in billions and then to write them in words. Example. Read and write the following numbers in words. So let's take the first one to be this number 6 4 2 1 3 8 5 6 2 4. If you count this, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 digits. And then the second one, let's take 8 5 6 1 2 3 7 9 9 0 1. And this time we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 digit numbers. How do we read these numbers and how do we write them in words? Solution. A. The first thing you do is to assign place value to individual digits of this number as they are grouped in 3. We have 6, then 4 2 1, then 3 8 5, and then 6 2 4. Now, remember what place value each of them carry. In this group, they are the ones. The next group is your thousands. The next group is million. And then we have billion. By doing this, you now know that this number is in excess of 6 billion, meaning it is larger than 6 billion. Now let's read it the way it appears. So what we have here is 6 billion. Remember, you read the digit and then the place value. The digit, the place value. The digit, the place value. The digit, the place value. Let's try that. So 6 billion. Yes. The next one is in the million category. So we read off the 3 digits there, which will be 421. Yes, 421 million. You're getting it. The next 3 would then be 385,624. Remember, you read the digit, the place value, the digit, the place value, and you continue until the final digits. So let's do that one more time. 6 billion 421 million 385,624. Now let's write that in words. It will be written as 6 billion The next set is what? 421,000 I come again, sorry. 421. The category is what? Not thousands, but let's quickly wipe that off. What we have there is what? 421 million. Good. Following that off, we then have 385, and the place value this time is what? 1,000. And then the final three being what? 624. There. So the number is 6,421,385,624. Beautiful. Now that we have done this, let us go ahead to apply the same method to writing this in words. So, B. The number we are dealing with this time is 85612379901. And just like we did here, we will assign place value in groups of 3. This group is our ones, followed by 1,000, then millions, and then billions. What a large number. Now let's go. To read it off, remember, you read the digit, then the place value. So in this case too, the digit and the place value. So let's read it together. This number here is 85, and it is in the place value of billion. So it will be read as what? 85 billion. Correct. The next is 612. 612. And it is with the place value of millions. Millions. So we read it as 612 million. And then the next is 379,000. And then finally 901. 901. Let's read that together now. 85 billion, 612 million, 379,901. Again, 85 billion. Again, 85 billion. Good. 612 million, 379,901. Let's write that in word. So we have 85 billion. The next 612 million. Then 379 what? 1,000. Yes. Then 901. hundred and one. Good. So it is read as what? 85,612,379,901. Do not forget how to do this. You first split your numbers just as it is in threes and then give them their individual place values. The ones, the thousands, the millions, and billions. Then you read the digits followed by their place value, just as we have done. Try this with other numbers around you. Thank you.